My name is Asad Yaqub, and we're going to start with your Ielts speaking test. Are you ready to take the test?
Yes.
Do you work or study?
Um, uh, in nowadays, I am not studying anything. I am a housewife right now, but I studied my fully education.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. I'm going to ask you some questions about your hometown. Tell me about your hometown.
Okay, my hometown where I am living in these days. I am living in an urban area of Lahore. It is a very good area. It has all the facilities, basic facilities of life which we have required. Essentially, the food points and the health centers, the schools, colleges.
All right. Do you think your hometown is big or a small city?
Um, I think it is a big city of Pakistan because it has all the major facilities which a good city or a developed city is required. So I think so. I am living in a good area, where a good area or town where the people want to live.
How long have you been living in this city?
I have been living in this city from my childhood, and even my parents was also belong to this city, and I am totally familiarized with the each and every corner of this because my childhood and my when I was young, I was go to the university and college over there, so I am totally familiarized of it.
Okay. Do you like your hometown, or what do you like about your hometown?
Yes, of course I like it because my all emotions belong to this, and the time which I have spent was very precious, and the memories which belong to it are very dear to me. So I like it because it has a good environment to live over here, good roads and wide roads and health centers especially.
Okay. Do you think your hometown is an interesting place?
Yes, of course, it is a historical city and so much things to see over here, and it is a public attraction for the other people, and the other belongs to the other city. People come over here and enjoy their holidays, even their vacations for some times, and there are historical places like Shalimar Bagh and Minar-e-Pakistan and the, other quite worthy
Okay.
places.
All right. We now move on to Ielts speaking part 2. Okay. You'll now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay. Um, no one wants to waste his or her time deliberately, but it happened to me last year when I was doing some my IELTS preparation in an institute. It was a renowned institute of Lahore, where I was advised to go. When I take an admission over there, it was quite good to me, and everything was sound good. But when I started to take classes over there, it was I came to know that I am just wasting my time because they are not delivering all the things which I want to learn. As I was a student of PhD or MPhil, I know about the English, but they did not giving me the right things which I want to acquire for my exam. So I think it was a waste of time, and it was the days of Corona. So I couldn't take any risks to go everywhere or to make sure that they are good or not. But when I was stuck in a specific institute, I realized that I am wasting my money, my time, and all these kind of stuff. So I think so. It was a worst experience of my life. And then I take another decision to take the notes from them, all that stuff which they have given to me. I practiced that thing at my home and make my that time which I have wasted to in a valuable time to me, and I practiced a lot at my home so that I could meet my goal. That's why I am saying this. No one wants to waste his time deliberately.
Okay. All right. We now move on with Ielts speaking part 3.
Okay.
How can we avoid wasting time?
We can avoid wasting time by planning. Planning is a key point for the success. Basically, if we plan the things in a proper manner, then we will not waste our time. For example, if we plan our each and every day, when we go to our bed, we should plan things for the day which is coming. The better planning is that we should start it with some religious things and then go for the healthy things. Healthy
Is time
food.
management important?
Yes, time management is very important. In fact, how we use our time, this is the other name of time management. If we waste our time in the things which are not our priority and look busy, do nothing like things will be happen. So we have used to time for the production. Means if no productivity is coming, then time is wasting. So it is
Should parents help their children manage their time?
yes, of course, parents are the nucleus to the home or for their children, and they are mentors for their children. So they are the guidelines for guidelines. So parents give advice to the children because they are vulnerable to the society and they do not know how to cater with the problems. So they parents guide them to manage their time according to their basic needs, like they give time to sport, education, other activities which are.
Do you think relaxing is a waste of time?
No, I don't think so. Relaxing is not a waste of time because the excess of everything is bad, but relaxing is a period when someone is reconstructed his mind or his physical desires which which needs some rest, because all the day if someone is hectic, then it naturally he or she requires some time to take rest, to reorganize the things or redo some things. So relaxing is not that kind of wastage of time, but relaxing means not is the sleeping, it is the enjoying the some activity like music, study book, walk, or shopping, these kind of stuff.
Okay, all right, thank you very much. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test.